Alright, hey everybody. The audio is going to get a little funky here. I'm right on the side of the road. Trying myself a little shore night fishing here. And I got a bite on. Can't see anything. Not yet. Feels solid. Yeah. There we go. Nice size fella. Hopefully you can get him up closer, get some better light on him. Got some good energy. Well, that's a big one. That's a chunker right there. So let's see. I'll get some good video here. It's easier to see him here. Ow, cut my finger. Son of a biscuit. Sorry, never been night fishing before. This is kind of a first. That's a big one right there. That's probably, that's a three and a half probably. Maybe more. See if I can get some better picture of him. That cut my hand pretty good there on that swivel. Had him flopping around. 4 pounds. Scaled him up. I'll get him back in now. Sorry, that was a little rookie error there. I grabbed the swivel. I don't have my fish grippers and stuff and whatever. I grabbed the swivel and it cut me. Cut me pretty good. There we go. I saw him make a wake. Pickerel. Nice size pickerel too. I saw him wake it out, chase that one out. Yeah. We'll get him unhooked and get him back on the camera here. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to play around with this guy a little more. He's not cooperating too much. He likes to thrash, so we'll play around a little more with him. He's got a deep hook there. Mr. Pickerel. So it's kind of funny. I've noticed this behavior out of pickerel. Finally got him unhooked there. He's just sitting right there. When you release them in the water, they tend to just sit right where you put them. I don't know if it's like a reminder. This is not it. I'm here. But they'll just sit there for a couple minutes.